In this video, I am going to discuss the most important multiple choice questions about chapter number 3 of BSc Zoology paper D, that is about concept of animal senses. This video is very important for all competitive exams of biology, लिहाजा आपने इस वीडियो को स्टार्ट से लेकर एंड तक पूरा देखना है ताकि ये क्वेश्चंस आपको अच्छी तरह तैयार हो जाएं। तो चलिए दोस्तों शुरू करते हैं आज की वीडियो। Question number 1. 5 human senses were first of all identified by Aristotle, Lorenzini, Rudolf Virchow, Robert Hooke. So correct answer is option A. 5 human senses were first of all identified by Aristotle. Question number 2. The sensory receptors which detect touch stimulus are tactile receptors, georeceptors, hygroreceptors, chemoreceptors. So correct answer is option A. Tactile receptors are the sensory receptors which detect touch stimulus. Question number 3. The receptors which detect mechanical changes induced by stretching, compressing, bending or tension are chemoreceptors, georeceptors, proprioceptors, tactile receptors. So correct answer is option C. Proprioceptors are the mechanical receptors which detect mechanical changes. Question 4. Receptors which respond to the pressure changes is phonoreceptors, baroreceptors, photoreceptors, chemoreceptors. So correct answer is option A. Baroreceptors are the receptors which respond to the pressure changes. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले मेरी आपसे दरख्वास्त है कि अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लें ताकि इस तरह की लेटेस्ट वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको आगे भी मिलता रहे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. The most oldest and universal sense in animal kingdom is photoreception, proprioception, chemoreception, thermoreception. So correct answer is option C. Chemoreception is the oldest and most universal sense in animal kingdom. Question number 6. In arthropods, chemoreceptors are present on legs, antennae, mouthparts, all of above. So correct answer is option D. All of above. In arthropods, chemoreceptors are present on legs, antennae as well as mouthparts. Question number 7. Most georeceptors are present in the form of sensilla, Ospharedia, statocysts, none of these. So correct answer is option C. Most georeceptors are present in the form of statocysts. Statocysts are the organs of balance and orientation in many invertebrates. Question number 8. Avoidance behavior of protozoans is because of chemoreceptors, georeceptors, hygroreceptors, tactile receptors. So correct answer is option A. Avoidance behavior of protozoans is because of chemoreceptors. Protozoans avoid acid, alkali and other toxic chemicals. Question 9. Statocysts are found in gastropod, cephalopods, polychaetes, all of these. So correct answer is option D. All of these gastropods, cephalopods and polychaetes contain statocysts as an organ of balance and orientation. Question number 10. Aquatic insects which detect gravity by means of statocyst, air bubbles, Ospharedia, both A and B. So correct answer is option B. Aquatic insects detect gravity by means of air bubbles, and air bubbles is a type of georeceptors. Question number 11. Receptors which detect small changes in humidity are hygroreceptors, baroreceptors, photoreceptors, chemoreceptors? So correct answer is option A. Hygroreceptors detect small changes in humidity. Humidity is the amount of water vapors that are present in air. Question 12. Hygroreceptors are present in crustaceans, insects, gastropods, cnidarian. So correct answer is option B. Hygroreceptors are most commonly present in insects. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले अगेन मेरी आपसे दरख्वास्त है कि अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लें और साथ ही मौजूद बेल आइकॉन को भी लाजमी प्रेस कर दें. Question number 13. Which is not an example of phonoreceptors? Tympanoid organs, slit sense organs, ampullary organs, tomospheric organs. So correct answer is option C. Ampullary organs is not an example of phonoreceptors, rather it is an example of electroreceptors. Phonoreceptors are the receptors which detect sound vibrations. Question 14. Tomospheric organs are present in cephalopods, arachnids, centipedes, polychaetes. So correct answer is option C. Tomospheric organs are phonoreceptors present in centipedes. They detect sound vibrations. Question 15. Photoreceptors which possesses light sensitive pigments known as rhodopsin, iodopsin, carotenoids, both A and C. So correct answer is option D. Photoreceptors possesses light sensitive pigments that are rhodopsin as well as carotenoids. Question 16. Flagellated protozoans like Euglena possesses photoreceptors in the form of compound eyes, stigma, ocelli, complex eyes. So correct answer is option B. Flagellated protozoans like Euglena possesses photoreceptors in the form of stigma. Question 17. Which is not a type of multicellular photoreceptors? Compound eyes, stigma, ocelli, complex eyes. So correct answer is option B. Stigma is not a type of multicellular photoreceptors, rather it is a unicellular photoreceptors. Question 18. Ocells contain light-sensitive cells called as melanoid cells, retinular cells, acinar cells, ommatidia. So correct answer is option B. Ocells contain light-sensitive cells that are known as retinular cells. Question number 19. Photoreceptors which gives information about light direction and intensity but does not form an image is ocellus, compound eyes, complex eyes, statocyst. So correct answer is option A. Ocelli are the photoreceptors that which gives information about light direction and intensity but they does not form an image. Question 20. Ocelli are most commonly present in phylum Annelida, Mollusca, Arthropoda, all of these. So correct answer is option D. Ocelli are the photoreceptors which are most commonly present in all these phylum. Question 21. Which is not the function of compound eyes? It can detect changes in light intensity. Compound eyes can form color vision. It can also enable to form image. Option D है all are function of compound eyes. So correct answer is option D. All above three are different functions that are performed by compound eyes. Question 22. Color vision is most important for honeybees, octopus, cichlids, spiders. So correct answer is option A. Color vision is most important sense for honeybee because honeybee locate or detects its prey by its color, scent and shape. Question 23. Planktonic animals orient in three-dimensional aquatic environment with the help of statocysts, air bubbles, complex eyes, Osphadia. So correct answer is option A. Planktonic animals orient in three-dimensional environment with the help of statocysts. Question 24. Compound eyes are present in Annelida, bivalve mollusk, in Arthropoda, all of these. So correct answer is option D. All these three are different organisms contain compound eyes as a main functional eye. Question 25. Largest eye in the animal kingdom is present in vertebrates, giant sequoids, octopus, centipedes. So correct answer is option B. Largest eye in animal kingdom is present in sequoids and its diameter is equal to 38 centimeter. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले मेरी आपसे दरख्वास्त है कि अगर आपने बीएससी ज़ूलॉजी के पहले 2 चैप्टर्स की वीडियोस नहीं देखी तो उनका लिंक मैंने इस डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे रखा है, आप जाके उनको देख सकते हैं ताकि वो क्वेश्चंस भी आपको अच्छी तरह तैयार हो जाए। क्वेश्चन 26. Slit sense organs are photoreceptors present in cephalopods, arachnids, centipedes, polychaetes. So correct answer is option B. Slit sense organs are the phonoreceptors which detect sound vibrations are present in arachnoids. Question 27. Receptors which are commonly called as stretch receptors are proprioceptors, georeceptors, hygroreceptors, chemoreceptors. So correct answer is option A. Proprioceptors are most commonly called as stretch receptors. Question 28. Neurons which are most common in proprioceptors are sensory neurons, interneurons, motor neurons, mixed neurons. So correct answer is option A. Sensory neurons are most common in proprioceptors. Question 29. Proprioceptors are most commonly present in Annelida, phylum Mollusca, phylum Arthropoda, in vertebrates. So correct answer is option C. Proprioceptors are most commonly found in arthropods. Question 30. Tactile receptors are derived from the modification of epithelial cells, muscular cells, retinal cells, none of these. So correct answer is option A. Tactile receptors are derived from the modification of epithelial cells of skin. Question 31. Receptors which are deformed on contact of an object are chemoreceptors, mechanoreceptors, hygroreceptors, tactile receptors. So correct answer is option B. Mechanoreceptors are the receptors which are deformed when an object contact with them. Question 32. Which of these is vertebrate sensory organ? Ears and skin, lateral line system, eyes, all of these. So correct answer is option D. All of these are types of sensory organs that are present in vertebrates. Question 33. Lateral line system is present in fishes, some amphibians, in platypus, all of these. So correct answer is option D. All these three, fishes as well as some amphibians and platypus, that is egg-laying mammal, all have lateral line system. Question 34. Ampullary organs is an example of electroreceptor, georeceptor, hygroreceptors, tactile receptors. So correct answer is option A. Ampullary organs is an example of electroreceptors and it detects electric field in some fishes. Question 35. Neuromast cells of lateral line system is an example of electroreceptors, chemoreceptors, mechanoreceptors, tactile receptors? So correct answer is option C. Neuromast cells of lateral line system is an example of mechanoreceptors. Question 36. Trout enables to orient with its head upstream with the help of photoreception, mechanoreception, chemoreception, thermoreception. So correct answer is option C. Chemoreception helps the trout to enable its orientation with its head upstream. Question 37. The tympanum was first of all evolved in fishes, reptiles, birds, amphibians. So correct answer is option D. Tympanum was first of all evolved in amphibians, especially in frogs. Question 38. Sound pressure of air is less than water by 1.0%, 0.1%, 3%, 2.7%. So correct answer is option B. The sound pressure of air is 0.1% less than water. Question 39. Bone of middle ear which touches the tympanum is incus, malleus, stapes, none of these. So correct answer is option C. Stapes is a bone of middle ear which touches tympanum. Question 40. Low frequency sounds are detected by glumella, tympanum, operculum, both B and C. So correct answer is option C. Low frequency sounds in amphibians are detected by operculum. Question 41. Which of the following is high frequency sound? Mating calls, release calls, distress calls, alarm call. So correct answer is option A. Mating calls are high frequency sounds. Question 42. Middle ear and tympanum are absent in frogs, salamanders, toad, none of these. So correct answer is option B. Middle ear as well as tympanum are absent in salamanders. Question 43. Balancing organs in amphibians are statocyst, semicircular canals, osphoradia, none of these. So correct answer is option B. Semicircular canals in amphibians acts as a organ of balance. Question 44. The inner ear of reptiles is similar to that of fishes, amphibians, mammals, birds. So correct answer is option B. The inner ear of reptiles is similar to that of amphibians. Question 45. Hearing is mostly well developed in fishes, amphibians, mammals, birds. So correct answer is option D. Hearing is well developed in birds. Question 46. The long, coiled and sensory structure of inner ear is cochlea, oval window, tympanum, auditory canal. So correct answer is option A. Cochlea is a long, coiled and sensory structure of inner ear. Question 47. Middle ear ossicle which connects to the stapes is malleus, incus, stirrup, none of these. So correct answer is option B. Incus or anvil is a middle ear ossicle which connects to the stapes. Question 48. Which of the following equalizes air pressure between middle ear and the throat? Columella, tympanum, oval window, eustachian tube. So correct answer is option D. Eustachian tube equalizes the pressure between the middle ear and the throat and it is present in middle ear. Question 49. Which of the following contain receptors for sound? Auditory canals, vestibule, cochlea, tympanum. So correct answer is option C. Cochlea contains receptors for sound vibrations. Question 50. Which component of the middle ear concerned with equilibrium, tympanum, semicircular canals, vestibule, both B and C? So correct answer is option D. Semicircular canals as well as vestibules are components of middle ear that are concerned with equilibrium and balance. Question 51. Organs of Corti is associated with sense of vision, taste, hearing, olfaction. So correct answer is option C. Organs of Corti are associated with sense of hearing. Question 42. Dog can easily detect sounds up to 40,000 Hz, 50,000 Hz, 60,000 Hz, all of these. So correct answer is option A. Dog can easily detect sounds up to 40,000 Hz. Question 53. Eustachian tube is present in the ear of reptiles, amphibians, mammals, birds. So correct answer is option C. A eustachian tube is present in the middle ear of mammals. Question 54. Columella all steps is present in the ear of reptiles, amphibians, mammals, both A and B. So correct answer is option D. Columella or steps is the bone of middle ear that is present in amphibians as well as reptiles. Question 55. Median eye of reptiles helps to detect prey orientation, sun orientation, food particles, none of these. So correct answer is option B. Median eye that is present in reptiles helps to detect sun orientation. Question 66. Sensory granules containing otolith are present in Osphadia, semicircular canals, statocysts, both B and C. So correct answer is option C. Statocysts are the georeceptors which contain sensory granules in the form of otolith. Question 67. Continuous movement of fluid in semicircular canal causes epilepsy, sleeping sickness, motion sickness, abnormal hearing. So correct answer is option C. Continuous movement of fluid in semicircular canal causes motion sickness in which person feel dizziness, headache and other imbalance in postures of body. Question 68. In fishes, sound vibrations are amplified by middle ear, skull, swim bladder, lateral line. So correct answer is option C. Swim bladder in case of fishes amplified the sound vibrations and then send it to the skull. Question 69. Receptors which respond to the stimulus of pain are nociceptors, Puccinian corpuscles, organs of Ruffini, Meissner corpuscles. So correct answer is option A. Nociceptors are the receptors which respond to the stimulus of pain. Question 70. Heat sensitive pit organs are present in rattlesnake, vipers, lizards, both A and B. So correct answer is option D. Heat sensitive pit organs which are thermoreceptors present in rattlesnake as well as vipers. Question 71. Thermoreceptors which are responsible for infrared thermal regulations are called as pit organs, organs of Ruffini, Tomosveri organs, none of these. So correct answer is option A. Pit organs are the thermoreceptors which are responsible for infrared thermal regulation that is present in reptiles. Question 72. Nociceptors or pain receptors are absent in esophagus, brain, intestine, both B and C. So correct answer is option D. Nociceptors or pain receptors are absent in brain as well as intestine. Question 73. Most widely distributed receptors in vertebrate body are Puxinian corpuscles, bare sensory nerve endings, organs of Ruffini, Meissner corpuscles. So correct answer is option B. Bare sensory nerve endings are the most widely distributed receptors present in vertebrate body. These bare sensory nerve endings are also known as nociceptors. Question 74. Which of the following is example of mechanoreceptors? Puxinian corpuscles, Meissner corpuscles, organs of Ruffini, all of these. So correct answer is option D. All these three are examples of mechanoreceptors. Question 75. Mechanoreceptors which detect physical stimuli like position changes are called Puxinian corpuscles, bulbs of Krauss, organs of Ruffini, Meissner corpuscles. So correct answer is option B. Bulb of Krauss are the mechanoreceptors which detect physical stimuli like position changes. Question 76. Organs of Ruffini are involved in detecting light touch stimulus, touch pressure stimulus, heat and cold stimulus, thermal stimulus. So correct answer is option B. Organs of Ruffini are involved in touch pressure stimulus detection. Question 77. Vibrissae are specially adapted sensory hairs present in reptiles, birds, mammals, fishes. So correct answer is option A. Vibrissae are the sensory hairs that are present in mammals. Question 78. Sonar, a form of echolocation, helps to determine distance, to determine depth, to predict the time of sound. All of these. So correct answer is option D. All these three are the different functions that are performed with the help of sonar, that is a form of echolocation. Question 79. Sonars are present in snakes, frogs, humans, bats. So correct answer is option D. Sonars are present in bats and other soil dwelling, cave dwelling animals such as dolphin, etc. Question 80. Some bats emit high-frequency sounds that last for 2 minutes, 60 seconds, 2 to 3 milliseconds, 30 to 40 milliseconds. So correct answer is option C. Bats emit high-frequency sounds that last for 2 to 3 milliseconds. Question 81. Mechanoreceptors which detect light touch stimulus are Puxinian corpuscles, bulbs of Krauss, organs of Ruffini, Meissner corpuscles. So correct answer is option D. Meissner corpuscles are the mechanoreceptors which detect light touch stimulus. Question 82. How many olfactory receptor cells are present in dogs? 20,000 per square centimeter, 20 millions per square centimeter, 40 millions per square centimeter, 50 millions per square centimeter. So correct answer is option C. Dog have 40 million olfactory receptor cells per square centimeter. Question 83. Olfaction is most dominant sense in reptiles, birds, mammals, fishes. So correct answer is option A. Olfaction is most dominant sense in reptiles because they possesses Jacobson organs specialized for detection of smell. Question 84. Jacobson organs are absent in snakes, crocodile, lizards, tuatara. So correct answer is option B. Jacobson organs are absent in crocodiles. Question 85. Jacobson organs are used to taste objects in the mouth in case of turtles, snakes, tuatara, both A and C. So correct answer is option C. In tuatara, Jacobson organs are used to taste objects present in the mouth. Question 86. Olfaction, which is a sense of smell, play a minor role in reptiles, birds, mammals, fishes. So correct answer is option B. Olfaction play a minor role in case of birds. Question 87. Which of the following has well-developed sense of smell? Pigeons, vultures, eagle, none of these. So correct answer is option B. Vultures have well-developed sense of smell. Question 88. Reptiles and birds have most taste buds present on tongue, pharynx, esophagus, both A and B. So correct answer is option B. In case of reptiles and birds, most taste buds are present in pharynx. Question 89. In sturgeons, taste buds are most abundant on tongue, rostrum, tip of the tail, on barbels. So correct answer is option B. In case of sturgeons, taste buds are most abundant in rostrum of sturgeons. Question 90. Innermost layer of eye which contain photoreceptor cells is sclera, conjunctiva, choroid, retina. So correct answer is option D. Retina is the innermost layer of eye which contain photoreceptor cells, rods and cones. Question 91. Mucous membrane which covers the eyeball is choroid layer, nictitating membrane, conjunctiva, fovea. So correct answer is option C. Conjunctiva is a mucous membrane that covers the eyeball. Question 92. Lidless eyes are found in mammals, amphibians, reptiles, fishes. So correct answer is option D. Lidless eyes are found in fishes and they also have round lens. Question 93. Vertebrates which are primarily side feeders are amphibians, reptiles, mammals, fishes. So correct answer is option A. Amphibians are the vertebrates which are primarily side feeders. Question 94. Median or parietal eye is found in fishes, amphibians, reptiles, mammals. So correct answer is option C. Median or parietal eye is found in reptiles. Question 95. Nictitating membrane is present in the eye of fishes, amphibians, reptiles, mammals. So correct answer is option B. Nictitating membrane is present in the eye of amphibians. Question 96. Spectacle, which is a protective covering made of skin present in the eye of amphibians, reptiles, mammals, fishes. So correct answer is option B. Spectacle, that is a protective covering of eye present in reptiles. Question 97. Median eye is an outgrowth of corpus striatum, optic tectum, corpus callosum, none of these. So correct answer is option B. Median eye is an outgrowth of optic tectum, that is a deep region of midbrain. Question 98. Double focusing eye is present in birds, reptiles, mammals, amphibians. So correct answer is option A. Double focusing eye is present in birds. Question 99. Binocular vision is found in primates, carnivorous mammals, predator birds, all of these. So correct answer is option D. Primates, carnivorous mammals and predatory birds contain binocular vision. Question 100. Median eye is well developed in which reptiles? Turtles, snake, tuatara, crocodile. So correct answer is option C. Medium eye is complete and well developed in tuatara. तो ये थे 100 मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस अबाउट कंसेप्ट ऑफ सेंसेस इन डिफरेंट एनिमल्स। अगर वीडियो आपको पसंद आई है तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ ही मौजूद बेल आइकॉन को भी प्रेस कर दें ताकि इस तरह की लेटेस्ट वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको